artillery shells, January of 2022. Starting off here, taco 6-inch mammoth shells, some of my personal favorite, $89.99. That's some taco 5-inch plutoniums, $89.99. 5-inch nishiki bombs, $99.99. The very best of the Taco Pyrotechnics brand, 5-inch and 6-inch artillery shells. This is the plutonium and the mammoths mixed, also with the ringmasters and the nishiki bombs. So you get, this is what you get in each pack. So you get the mammoth shells, the ringmasters, and then the plutonium shells and the nishiki bombs. So it's a case of 24, but it's a sleeve of 6 from each brand, or each name. Which, that reminds me, I gotta try out some ringmasters. I'm not showing you guys what's in my cart, because that's stuff that's coming. Before I get sidetracked again, ringmasters are, just the 6-pack here is $27.99. The 5-inch Wildcat cartridges are $119. That's from Realtree. You got the Neon Beef from Winda. It's $124.99. 24. You got G-Force by Winda, $69.99. Donut shells. I still have plenty of those, but they are $24.99, and they were frickin' awesome. Another one of my favorites now is Echo in the Ear, $23.99. Fantastic shells. Love them. $59.99 for Bright Star Supernovas. You got the Terminator shells here, 5-inch shells. It is $100. You got dual exhaust, $60, 6-inch shells. And you got the Kodo collection down here. We're gonna take these ones too. No one's going to see what I'm getting. I'm going to try and keep that under wraps until I do testing. Special Ring Effects, $29.99 Kodo collection. That is the bigger collection down there, so I'm guessing it's rings and then just other shells. Japanese inspired. This is $104.99 down here for the big pack. Black Cat shells, 24 canisters, $100. You got the Patriot shells down here. It's $114.99. You got Diablo shells, $89.99. You got Neon Diablo. It's 24-pack, $109. 5-inch shells. Got the Death shells, $124.99. Wrap around here. 666 shots Beast, $23.99. That's pretty cool looking. Fox Fireworks. Bang Bazooka, 18 shots, or 78 shots. Loud. Favorite brand, Raccoon. Ghostacular shells. It's $89.99. The reason why I always take thumbnail pictures of this brand is because the boxes always look sick in the thumbnails. So that's why all my thumbnails look like Raccoon. You got the extra large 5-inch canister shells. Extra large 5-inch canister shells. It's $50. You got the Holy Nishiki. Those are $100. Nishiki Willows. You got the double thumps. Double thumps are the ones that shook my dad's ass when we were testing. These are the $60. You get the 6-inch giant canister shells with double brakes. Here's the Neon Skies, $89.99. Got the King Dragon shells over here for $100. Yeah, the Supernova shells for 25. And you got the high-tech Warfares over here for 25. Which, man, I haven't tried those yet. Give you a description all in the box. Can't really see. I might save those for later. Can't show you guys what I'm getting. 5-inch canister shells. Independence Day, $80. Got the Nishiki blast shells, 25. Got the max load mother of all fireworks. You got the $89.99. You get 24 of them. Howling burst shells by Power Blast, $60. You got Deadly Strike by Power Blast. That's $80 as well. Got plenty of them. You got Willow King from Power Blast, $79.99. 24-inch shell, or 24-inch shell. Yeah, that's a little big. Swing around here.
Get slice and dice, man.
Slice and dice, 93 shots. It's $50. Mag Value fireworks. I've never heard of them. Swing around. We got some pretty cool candles over here. 108 shots. Rapid Fire. Rapid Fire. Okay, that's an R, not a K. It looks like a K. $23.99. We also got another Rapid Fire. This one's 100 shots for $23.99. 3 different Rapid Fires, so there's got to be a difference between all of them, because this one's 110, that one's 108, and the other one's 100.
You gotta do the sound effects though.
Sound like a machine gun, yeah. I already get the cops called on me too much.
That's why you're not allowed by me no more.
Yeah, I know. You got Top Gun fireworks, King of Fire. It's the $60.
Oh, we got some more nishiki.
Nishiki Kimuro from Dominator. It's $25.99. The Trident Triple Breaks. Pyro Packed. This is $30.99. Looks like we got some ball shells here from Dominator. It's $50 for 12 of them. Are they ball shells? Oh no, they're not ball shells. Okay, they're just packed differently. And then down at the bottom, you get 24 of them for $100. So those are 50. Those are 100, obviously. You got Pro Ox fireworks here. I'm guessing it's Maddox brand, just kind of their shit and get ones. Yeah. Raging Bulls down there are 100. These are the Pro Ox ones. These are $74.99. Got more down here. Mega Burst Pro Ox, $84.99. Domination, a fireworks complex, $80. Flames of War is $60. Got Conqueror here, $70. Down at the bottom is Dragon's Wrath, 24 shells. Nishiki, $70. Great Grizzly, $79.99. Nice Terminator shells. Got the Great Grizzly Predator shells. This is $79.99. Have yet to try those yet. Still want to. Got the Neon Predators. It's $119. Got some more. Nishiki Fallout shells. It's $49.99 from Great Grizzly. Got Hard Knocks from Great Grizzly. It's $33.99. You got the Terminator shells down here. $79.99. You got the Tiki Bombs. $30. 6-inch canister shells. And then the 24 pack is $119.99. this video is longer than I wanted it to be, but that's okay. Got some more Tiki Bombs. The Witch Doctor edition is $114.99. And then we got Zombie King over here from Fire Factory. It's $99.99. That'll wrap up this whole section.